Grand Canyon University's College of Natural Sciences provides students with the opportunity for hands-on learning through access to cadavers with the Mastering Anatomy program, Anatomy Mentoring Center, and Lopes Live Labs. In addition, the college's undergrad research and design program is available to students at all levels. No need to wait until junior or senior year.
GCU has a great program here. All the kids are so nice. We all get along very well, and it's like a little community here.
I definitely think that the College of Natural Science is different because of how close I personally feel to the faculty.
The faculty here at GCU have a lot of experience in their field.
I definitely felt like I was always able to get that help that I needed.
They're very helpful going to office hours. They're always there to answer questions.
Yes, they're here for a job, but they're doing it because they also love it and they love to share that with us.
There are so many opportunities with the College of Natural Science here at GCU that you can get involved in that not only look good on a college resume, but they're just great experiences to have, and you meet a lot of wonderful people.
To learn more and apply, visit gcu.edu/CNS.